হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, জেই মেকানিক্যাল ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আজকে আমি তোমাদের জন্য মেকানিক্যাল ট্রেডের উপর আরও কিছু প্রশ্ন উত্তর নিয়ে এসেছি। এই সব কোশ্চেনগুলো কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামের জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। তো চলো শুরু করা যাক। প্রথম কোশ্চেন, দ্য ডিফেক্ট ইন কাস্টিং ডিউ টু sufficient ramming of mold sand is known as swell. The machine time is proportional to 1 by V. V is equal to cutting speed. A rotameter is used to measure flow of liquid and gases. The facing sand used in foundry generally consists of silica and clay. The disadvantage of die casting process is surface finish is poor. Next, railway rails are generally made of alloy steel containing 0.8 to 0.9% carbon. Yellow stripe on a pattern indicate sheets for loose core joints. Core prints. Green sand molds are green in color. The average shrinkage allowance for cast iron is 5 mm per meter, 10 mm per meter, 15 mm per meter, and 20 mm per meter. Answer of 10 mm per meter. The taper provided on all vertical surface of a pattern is known as draft allowance. Dielectric is essentially required in EDM process. Cast iron pipes are cast by die casting process. The size of shaper is given by maximum length of the stroke. Drilling is an example of oblique cutting. If the cutting speed is constant, then with the increase of diameter of the job, the speed of spindle increase na decrease na remains constant na first increase then decrease. Answer hobe decreases. Ray diagram is a graph showing the relation between cutting speed, diameter of job and spindle speed. For cutting tool, the spindle speed are 60, 229, 328, 469. Next, the next higher speed will be, answer hobe 671. Numerical control can be applied to drilling machine, milling machine, lathe, all of the above. Answer hobe all of the above. The process of coating a thin layer of phosphate on steel is known as parkerizing. Milling machine can cut spar gear, helical gear, worm gear, all of these. The main action of cutting fluids are friction reduction, cooling, reduction of the shear strength of the work material, all of the above. Answer hobe all of the above. Drill should be hardened throughout its length. Plain high carbon steel are temperature in order of reduce brittleness in hardened steel, improve toughness, require the internal stresses, and all of the above. Answer hobe all of the above. The common ratio phi for spindle speed in geometrical progression lies between, answer hobe 1 থেকে 2. For drilling brass and bronze, the lubricant used is dry. Hole of diameter 10 mm is to be drilled in a workpiece of thickness 20 mm. The length of approach will be equal to, এটার ক্ষেত্রে দেখো অ্যাপ্রোচ লেন্থের ফর্মুলা হলো 0.5d tan 90 ডিগ্রি মাইনাস থিটা বাই 2। তাই এখানে 0.5 ইন্টু ডি হলো তোমার হবে এখানে 10 মিলিমিটার ইন্টু tan 90 ডিগ্রি মাইনাস 118 ডিগ্রি বাই 2, যেহেতু ড্রিলের পয়েন্ট অ্যাঙ্গেল হলো 118 ডিগ্রি। তো সেখান থেকে সিম্পলিফাই করলে হবে 3 মিলিমিটার। এখানে আনসার আছে 2.9 মিলিমিটার, তাহলে এটাই আনসার হবে। অ্যাভাব কোশ্চেন, ইফ in above question the RPM of drills is 420 and length of approach is neglected, and then cutting speed in meter per minute will be equal to, এখানে অ্যাপ্রোচ লেন্থটাকে নেগলেক্ট করতে বলা যায়। তো এর ক্ষেত্রে কাটিং স্পিড কী হবে আমরা জানি পাই ডিএন বাই 1000 মিটার পার মিনিট। তো সেখান থেকে আমরা সব মান বসালে পাবো হলো 13.2 মিনিট। দ্য ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টক রিমুভড বাই হর্নিং ইজ 10 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 3 millimeter and 1 millimeter, 3 millimeter. Which of the following materials can be horned? Brass, hardened steel, aluminium, glass na carbide? All of these. Aluminium oxide is best suited abrasive for brittle material, hard material, high tensile strength material, tough material. Both C and D অর্থাৎ high tensile strength material and tough material. Which of the following is a natural abrasive? Diamond. Black color is usually painted in oxygen cylinder. Seamless tube are made by which of the following process? Cold rolling, pitching, plat rolling, forging, any of these? Answer হবে pitching. Dash pattern is used in investment casting. Wax. TIG welding is best suited for welding aluminium. Natural flame has 2 zone. In ultrasonic machining, metal is removed by action of slurry. Dash gauge is used for checking of holes. Answer of plug gauge is used for checking of holes. Steel balls are manufactured by machining, spinning, casting, cold heating, none of these. Cold heating. Laser welding finds wide application in electronic industry. Projection welding refers to pressure welding, TIG welding, submerged welding, na resistance welding. Answer of resistance welding. Long wires are made by swaging, rolling, drawing, extrusion, drawing. Binding material is used in cemented carbide tool is cobalt. In a dash welding, 2 non-consumable electrodes are used. Atomic hydrogen. Answer হবে welding 2 non-consumable electrodes are used. Spinning operation is carried on lathe. In arc welding, the length of arc should be equal to electrode diameter. In thermite welding, iron oxide and aluminum oxide are mixed in a proportion of, thermite welding এ iron oxide আর অ্যালুমিনিয়ামের প্রপোর্শনটা কী হয় 3:1. Which of the following statement about submerged arc welding is correct? প্রথম অপশন arc is submerged is molten metal bath. Arc in maintained under the blanket of flux. There is no arc in actual, none of these. Answer হবে arc in maintained under a blanket of flux. During resistance welding, heat produced at the joints is proportional to I square R. Helical gears are preferred for low noise application. Quartz pitch blade is used for copper and brass, na brass and tin, na stainless steel and aluminium, na carbon and copper. Quartz pitch blade is used for copper and brass. Hot tears in casting are caused by high dry and hot strength of mold, the excessive mold hardness, na either of the above, na none of these. Answer হবে either of the above. Which of the following is the main constituent of molding sand? Silica. Powder forming is preferred for hard material, aluminium, ferrous materials, all of these, none of these. Hard material. Negative rack are used for carbide tool, heavy tool, hard material, all of these. Negative racks are used for carbide tool, heavy loads, harder material, তিনটেই অর্থাৎ all of these. তো আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। তোমাদের যদি এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে একটি লাইক অবশ্যই করো এবং চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকে অবশ্যই প্রেস করে দিও যাতে পরের ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন তোমরা খুব সহজেই পেয়ে যেতে পারো। তো দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংক ইউ।